Okay, so we're at the old Turnbull elevator. The old paddle and carbon kind of setup. Here's the old school machine. Had the brake open down here. As you can see, we're digging into it. What we're doing is we're popping the overload here every so often, and obviously causing someone to get trapped, but it's like right at takeoff. So a couple things it could be, you could be losing the motor or something. I suppose it could be an overload. I'm having a hard time recreating the problem, even with loading the car up with weight. But I always like to check like the air gaps. I got some new carbons and paddles in there. They don't look too bad, but as we were going through them here, right, you see this is original. Someone's made that piece. This one's gone. So I'm gonna get a new one for there, because as you can see, obviously power's off, right guys? You see it all marking on the back of that paddle. A little bit on the top of that one too, right? More so that one. And this is like, here's all the covers we've taken off, right? So this sits on there, in here, right? Like this. And this might not be the exact one, but if you look down in here, I wonder if we can find the exact one. I bet you we can. That one's clean. That one's got a little bit, right? Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing there. So maybe it is this one. Was it this one? That's the worst one right down in there, I think. But so this, and some of the guys have actually seen it where it does this. It'll actually launch this when it drops this contactor. It comes out with so much force sometimes. See how it's knocked that out there, like down here? So now when you're looking at it, look at the difference in the air gap there. It still pulls in, but that's not what we're looking for. And yeah, just a good shot from here, and it's almost every time, right? And this one, you can do it, but it's nowhere near, like, it's pretty tough. But yeah, I'm gonna take probably this original off. That one's doing the trick for sure, right? But there's a lot more white there maybe. I'm gonna take this off and get the boys at the shop to make me one up. Okay, so there's the big washer, if you may, that holds that coil on. And here's the, what I would consider the original or factory one with the little brass screws. But yeah, that's it. Here's a peek at the back of the controller. I haven't really spent a whole lot of time digging into this one before, right? I think I did find that we lost that rectifier a few years back. That was a decent find. She's an old one. Just trying to limp her along for a little bit longer. Okay. I'm gonna go get this piece made up.